Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u ano kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. U Kyrtong Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya u James ke Sangma Hadien boladep Thep Kyrteng ha Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ne kasngi. Ula Pynpaw ke jingsngongo ka bakraw ya ki pat ba ka jilla. Badi kinung yalam ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kibla ai ka jingkershan ka bapura ya Habakran shakilat pathai khubor u James ke sangma ulo ong bo usngo thu kerpang yo menteri rangba ka jilla ringkat bat ke sembut menteri rangba bat baro ki MLA jong ka jilla ki blapen ye ka jing shania hau ulo ong ba Hadien bo ladep Thep Kyrteng menta ukmi lenti sha ka kam ka bakhman bat sha ki jingkit khli ki bawan bat ka benta kum udkhot jang ka Rajya Sabha Ula kular banra ye ki mat ki ba kongsan jang ka Meghalaya ha parliament bat banlong bakran shai na ka benta ka jilla Kidon shibun ki mat ki brang saakut laslem bat ki wei par ki badon kam ban pen kreat na kamta kala wei jong ke jella ngatmu banong uba krenslur bat uba yengskem Rajya Sabha knang bakasur jong ke Meghalaya kan sha snow hagri India ong James Habakali halor karai jong ke MDA ban jiet ye u kum Kyrtong pat ba ulo ong ba Jingkmen bat snowrid bala jiet ye u ban shakri ki pat ba ke Meghalaya Ulong ru bagani kadi ke jingkit kli ke bakraw bat untrai sitong ban pen ulong ye ke jing shania akabla bu hau halor ke jingla ban sha ajit kham jing ye kun namar ompat don jing ye thu ba kiliang persha kin peniyang Kyrtong u James lo ong ba ompat dei ban pen kut no ye ke jing ye kren namar dang dei ke sngi ba khat do ban Thep Kyrteng Henry la rajia ba omdan jing ye kun kan long ke Jingkmen ke bakraw bat kadak jong ke jing ye sngo thu jingmun hapring ke sengsan perthai la batai ba ke jing ye menjulang ne consensus kamut ban Omdan jinge pher jingmun Henry kamut bahadien ke jinge kran ba jinge tai sani baro ki parasing kila poisha kwei karai ka betilni habakli lawan phai biang sha ke jila ban kun assembly election hadien u James ula ong ba ka samoy tri kam jang u Rajya Sabha MP kalong Hendriusnam ba hakani kapor umdan jing thmu satia ban wan phai sha ke jila Henry ailut e kapor ba ka jingtre jang u Hadelhi ban shakri ya ka Meghalaya Alor ke jing e badon hapo ke MDC ula kubur bagi don shisha ke jing e ki blane laslem Henry ula ong ba ke jing e trei kadang ya chakmat ban pinben i ke te ki jing e ula Pynpaw ru i ke jing sngokya halor ki nong trei ba ki support staff ki badang am i ke jing pinben ya ki kam changki
I'm first of all very grateful to the people of Meghalaya and also especially to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Conrad Sangma, all the Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Bob Preston and Bas Nyobha, all our Honorable Ministers, our MLAs, and also our alliance partners from the UDP, the HSPDP, the BJP, and the Independents for having supported my candidature to the Council of State's Rajya Sabha. And today I've just finished filing the nominations, and I look forward to the being elected, and hopefully after the election process is over and I'm elected, the responsibilities of the Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, if it were to fall on my shoulders, I will look at how many of the issues, both which have been pending for a long time, and also issues which we as a state must collectively look at navigating in the future. These are the issues that I intend to be very vocal about in the upper house in Rajya Sabha, so that the voice of Meghalaya can be heard in the Parliament in Rajya Sabha.
So what prompted this decision, sir?
This is a decision collectively made by the NDA too, and all I can say is that I'm deeply honored and I feel very privileged to be unanimously selected by the NDA too. And as I've been saying that me as a person who is here to serve the people of Meghalaya, I will be taking on any responsibility that is given upon me. And similarly, today the MDA too has given this responsibility of being the candidate of the MDA team, and I look forward to carrying out that responsibility.
Sir, this is expected to be uncontested thing because opposition parties not likely to field any candidate. So how do you feel about it?
Well, we have to still wait till the end of day. Today is the last date of filing nominations, so I don't think we can jump to conclusions here. But yes, if it were to be uncontested, then again, this is something that I feel extremely privileged and happy about, that the decision to send an MP Rajya Sabha to Parliament by the state of Meghalaya is one which is does not have any contest, and thereby, you know, I will be collectively representing the entire state.
During the MDA meeting, there were no consensus during the MDA meeting. The many wanted to put up their own candidate. So, was there any consensus?
Yes, see, of course, consensus basically means that after discussion, whatever differences there may have been, it's always a matter of, coming together and discussing whatever issues there are, and then coming to a unanimous decision. So the consensus comes from the fact that there was discussion, and finally all the alliance partners decided to forward my name.
Sir,
You can tell the
since
mission-
you are
mission
going
of the-
to Rajya Sabha, will your wife enter the state politics? Will she contest from Dadandre?
Well, that's very early in the day, I would say, because the elections are still a good 2 years away, and again, elections is also based on the needs and the demands of the people. So we will assess that situation, and then we'll accordingly see that. It's too early in the day to respond.
So, your nomination doesn't mean that you will not come back to state politics. Assembly elections are 2 years away.
The term of the member of parliament of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. So I do not intend to come back
State politics.
and to complete this term. It would be very, very unfortunate for anyone to go there and then abruptly just come back.
Okay, coming to you are holding the president of MCA, Meghalaya Cricket. Is there any problem in continuing?
No, I think the law is very clear on that. That any cricketer association, the Oda Commission and Supreme Court are clear that as an MLA, as an MP, you can hold an executive position in sports associations, not as a minister or not as a government secretary.
So, will you be intervening? They are not getting salary, the support staff, MCA. So, will you be intervening?
This is an internal matter of the MCA. Of course, I don't shy away from the fact that there are problems. These are problems which have been going on for a very long time, legacy issues, and because of those kind of challenges and those kind of problems, that certain processes have come to a stop. But we expect to resolve all those kind of problems and issues at the earliest, so that the salaries can be addressed. I'm very, very concerned about the staff, be it the support staff or the office staff. So we are trying very hard to ensure that we can resolve that at the earliest.
There will be a commitment to the women cricketers because there has been no committee on sexual harassment in the cricket association.
Correct. For posh cases. So that I took over in the month of January, as you all know. So it's not been a very long time, but I'm very, very aware of the situation and the lacunae and the loopholes that are there in the MCA. For example, we did not have an ombudsman for a good 2 years in the past. So the first thing that I did as an MCA president was to fill up that post and to bring in an ombudsman. Similarly, the internal Women's Committee also is something that we will be taking up immediately now. We are just waiting for the report to come from the Women's Commission. As and when that report is brought out, we will take appropriate steps to address the issues pertaining to the internal committee.